Charlie, we are testing your quick. I just want to
Nolan!
because it's a private car, we are getting
cow.
No, we'll see the other cow. I tell my driver's more bread. So, how much you make for you don't know? Well, the bags are very above you. That's a home be. Oh, that's it. We are the clock in a private car. Oh, Charlie. And you will from move. Maybe from also. Maybe from Quania. We broke 1 hour. The big one,